Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So in today's video we are going to do an experiment in which we will make a sniper pod which will work on Memecoin. Now if you guys do not know about sniper board, then I will give you a brief introduction. So I have just come to pump.fun. So pump.fun creates Memecoin on Solana's blockchain. Now, if you look here, almost every second one or the other mime coin gets created here. If you want to see this, first of all, you see here, salt is featured. So here, if you shorten it by creation time, then here you can see that latest was created 4 minutes ago. If I wait for a while, when it gets updated, then this is 20 seconds. See this 20 second, 21 second, 24 second. Immediately see the difference, 25 second, 26. Second, it means it is being created. How quickly new mime coins are being created, and if you look at it, as soon as mime coins are created, their market value or market capitalization, market cap reaches around $10,000. Now, why is it reaching close to $10,000? There is a simple method for this, that when any rule is launched, there are some bots that invest in it immediately as soon as it is launched and exit from it after some time. What happens due to this is that if they are not incurring any loss, at least, that is, if they are not making any profit, then the loss will be very minimal, or else there will be a very little profit, but the chances of making profit are high. So this is the total concept of sniper pod, or better to say, this sniper means coin trading bot. So let's see how we can create our own sniper bot on top of Solana. So I have come to outersnip.ai. You can see everything here. Here they have clearly mentioned that it is made on top of Solana. Now see here, pump.one pays iNikers. Okay, now we will go to Oinicus. Here, the board of some existing sneakers is already made. But since we want to create a new board on CoinPair, we will not create it. So I will name this new board Crypto. After that, I will keep it the same in this CoinPair platform. It will work everywhere. If we want, we can do it only on Pump.one. After that is the listing type. Okay, the listing type is new. Obviously we can change it to last 24 hours or last 6 hours, 1 hour, 5 minutes, but we will do new because we mean that if you invest in the newly launched mom coin, then there are more chances of profit, provided that they are not doing any scam like Rackpool, Honeypotia. Now let's see this rank. Okay, now this rank means that it will work on this new coin only on the top 25 ranked minimum coins. Now what will be the minimum liquidity? I mean, what should be the minimum liquidity of the total launches? So without making it too much, we will make it 20 or 16. And after how much time will it invest a lot in that particular main coin that has been launched? We have set it as 0 second. We will let it remain like this. The reason being that if we are even a little late, some big investor would have already invested in it, and then we will buy at the top and sell at the bottom. So for this we have made 0 second here. You will let the minimum LP once remain 99 as it is. Now what happens is that the top tenant holders will have how much total supply percentage. For example, suppose I created a crypto meme coin and I made 100 coins, out of which I kept months, leaving only 10% for liquidity. And if someone is buying 10%, then I will sell my and it will crash completely. For this, the top 10 holders will have minimum only 15%. In fact, if you make it 10, it is not bad. So it means that the combined holding of all the top holders should be only 10%. So that if they all sell their entire coin together, then it won't make much difference. Okay, so for this we will make the holding percentage of top 10 holders simply 10%. And now here mint authority disabled, of course, should be disabled. Fees authority disabled. Website, social media handles and scam.com should be avoided. All these which are ticked will remain as it is. You have seen the rest of the settings. Now I will click on continue. After clicking on continue, it gives us a pop-up on which it is told to activate your S9 right now. So till now we have only created it. We will not activate it now. So now it has been created. It is saying that it will be on Radian. It was created 13 seconds ago on pump.com 20, which means there should be at least liquidity of 4K in the coin in which it will be bought. Now we come to total soul to invest. Now we write one on it. I don't think that one soul is in our wallet, but still 0.1 because it is minimum important. Now stop loss is a very important thing. Look, no matter how efficient you are making a crypto trading board or any kind of board, let it be stock market, let it be anything, any algorithm, and whatever it may be. It will not work with 100% decrease. We should keep this thing in our mind. For that, we will set a stop loss. That is, if we have to suffer a loss of how much percentage of stop loss, then we should exit from that position. So I will keep 12 or 13 in it. If I will have a loss of 13%, then I will set one from that position. Now you can set expiry in it. So let's say I will try for 10 minutes now. So I am putting an expiry of 10 minutes. This will happen that when I activate it, after 10 minutes, it will automatically stop. Okay, now this is the priority fees. In this, we will leave the option of AI blood, as it is, because it will be able to suggest us better that when and how much fee to take and all. That, okay? Priority fee on which priority? Now the priority fee of big males is very high. So they will buy before us because right now we are not in a condition to give that much priority for free or else. It is not feasible to give that much priority for free, so we will leave it to AI to think and decide according to your own understanding. Now we come to another interesting facts, which is exit and self strategy. Now what happens in this? If you look at this, it is pre-filled values. It is already written in it that sell this much percentage at this much percent profit. Okay, so I will delete all of these first. Now I will say that, brother, if I get 50%, I will tell him to give me my 50% holding page, sell 50%, 30%, 30% holdings. If I get a profit of 50%, meaning if the coin that I have bought after I buy it, there is a profit of 50% in it, then sell 30% of the amount bought. Okay. After that, my sell 50% at my 100% profit. Okay. And after that, sell 20% at my 100% profit. In this way, right now 0 point means the maximum return that will come is showing 87%. And all that means when we trade, we will get more clarity. So according to this, I hope it will issue here because I do not have a full yearly amount in my wallet. So let's see it active now. Okay, so it has started. Now I will leave it as it is for 10 minutes, and after that we will see what result comes.